Hi everyone, I was watching the news and I have a warning for you all to help you. If you bought a Ring video camera doorbell, please take it off your house or please don't buy them. They are recalling 350,000 because if you use the wrong screws, they have been known to catch fire and will cause a lot of damages. So please don't buy them and please take them off your house.